Hello everyone. We're still in Merida, Mexico here. I just wanted to show you what a Starbucks in Mexico looks like. Okay, and it's a pretty nice place. Here's near the hotel, Grand Hotel. I came here in 2001. It's a very nice place, and here is the Starbucks. Okay, as it is, and you see a lot of Mexican people sitting on this side, and a lot of the gringos sitting on this side. Okay, now we're entering the Starbucks, and we'll see what it looks like. And it says "Bienvenidos a Starbucks Grand Hotel." All right, and here is all the good stuff that they sell. Right, it's a good place. I'm just gonna order some coffee, a nice espresso. Okay. Hola, ¿sí me puede dar un espresso, por favor?
Claro, ¿sencillo o doble?
El largo, uno singolo grande. Sí, en esa. Gracias, señorita. Y se puede, por favor, un vasito de agua con hielo. Muchas gracias.
Serían 44 pesillos.
Ok.
Le quedo su vasito. Muchas gracias.
A usted.
Y ahorita le doy su cambio. Te doy 30 de cambio. Y le entrego tu...
Giving me the change. These people are very nice here. They always treat me real good. Yesterday I dropped my coffee by mistake, and I just wanted a little napkin to clean it up, to clean up the table. Gracias, señorita. And she brought me a whole espresso. She brought me a brand new espresso, you know. And here we've got some pesos, some Mexican pesos, right? And she gave me my glass with the ice, so I can put my coffee, my water. Sorry, I'm still learning English here. So, and now this is my thing to go collect my espresso on the other side. And we'll go on this side here, all right? Okay, and I'm gonna wait here online. Oh, scusate, mi sono dimenticato di dirvi che sto filmando perché mi stanno facendo il caffè. Sono molto gentili qua, gente bravissima. Fanno un espresso molto buono, quasi come la stazione di Roma. Diciamo. Muchísimas gracias, señorita. ¿Puedo haber unas tres azúcar? La normal, por favor. La regular. She's gonna give me some. Muchas gracias. Hai visto? Mi hanno dato le cosette qua e questo qua. Ok, ora devo vedere di trasportare. I have to take everything outside. And with the ice, that's where you get your water, right? And here I've got my little espresso with my water and ice. Very nice. It's very nice with ice. And here we are. Here we are. I love this country, guys. It is very nice here. So I just wanna say to everyone, enjoy your day, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like. I love those likes, and leave a message, any message, even if you don't like it, you know, hey, pinche gringo, stuff like that. Okay, all right, God bless you all, and enjoy. Okay, all right, where's the Starbucks sign? All right, here, I'm gonna leave you with the Starbucks sign. There you go. God bless you all.